Today's lesson essential question is how do we add using partial sums? So today you're going to continue adding three-digit numbers using a strategy called partial sums. When we find partial sums, we find part of the sum. You can see the word part in the word partial. So we'll be finding parts of the sum and then putting it all together in the end. If you look down here, you can see that the parts of the sums that you're finding are first the hundreds, then the tens, and then the ones. Let's look at 257 plus 384. You've learned how to draw hundreds blocks, tens blocks, and ones blocks to add. Now let's see if we can do it using partial sums. The first thing that you're going to do is add the hundreds. We have 2 plus 3, so we have 5 hundreds. The rest of the answer in the tens place and the ones place are zeros. Now look at the tens. 5 plus 8 is 13. If you have 13 tens, that means that you have at least 100. So when you write your 13, the 1 goes in the hundreds place, and then the last 3 tens go in the tens place. Your ones place is 0. Now looking at the ones, you have 7 plus 4, which is 11. In the number 11, I have 1 10, so my 1 is going in the tens place, and then 1 1. Now we add it all together. So we have 5 600s, 3 plus 1, we have 4 tens, and just 1 1. So your answer is 641. Let's try number 2 together. We're going to start by adding our hundreds. 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 5. So you have 5 hundreds. Now look at your tens. 9 plus 7 is 16. In the number 16, we can make 100. So there are 6 tens left and 0 ones. Now add your ones. 4 plus 6 is 10, which means we have 1 10 and 0 ones. So the 1 goes in the tens place and the 0 goes in the ones place. And now we add them all together. So 5 plus 1 is 6 hundreds. 6 plus 1 is 7 tens, and then 0 ones. So 394 plus 276 is 670.